So today I will tell you the uses of Genticyn injection. I'll tell you its indication, that in which condition or in which cases you can use this Genticyn injection. I'm your pharmacist, Dr. Abdur Rafy. I'm doctor of pharmacy. I have a specialty in pharmacy. I'm a drug expert, and you're watching Rafy Healthcare channel. So let's start. Its brand name is Genticyn and its generic active pharmaceutical ingredient is Gentamycin. There are 5 ampoules, each having 2 ml, and it can be given by IM and IV. Its dosage form is injection and its manufacturer is Pharma. Gentamycin is an antibiotic. It is a broad spectrum antibiotic. It belongs to the aminoglycoside class of antibiotic, and it is used to treat a wide variety of bacterial infections. Now let's discuss more about its uses, that in which conditions you can give the gentamycin antibiotic. Here are its uses. I'm seeing the leaflet here. As you can see, it's proper here. Genticyn is a proven bactericidal antibiotic active against an extremely broad spectrum of gram-positive and gram-negative pathogens. Means it is effective against gram-positive and gram-negative pathogens both, including Escherichia coli, Klebsiella, Proteus, Pseudomonas aeruginosa, and antibiotic-resistant strains of Staphylococcus aureus. Genticyn is often active against strains resistant of streptomycin, kanamycin, and other unrelated antibiotics. Means it is effective against those strains of bacteria that are resistant to streptomycin, kanamycin, and other antibiotics. Okay. It is also used to treat bacteremia, septicemia, and also urinary tract infections and severe chest infection, and also severe neonatal infections too. It is also used to treat systemic infections also. Okay, so you have seen the indications of this medicine. It is used to treat a wide variety of bacterial infections, so it's a very good and effective medicine, and it's a broad spectrum antibiotic. But this medicine also has side effects and dangerous side effects too. If you want to know the side effects, I have made a separate video on it. You can click the link and watch the video too. Okay, overall, if we see this medicine, it's a good medicine. It is for the pediatric use. It's for the children for their bacterial infection. I would say that you should always consult your physician and pharmacist before using this medicine. You have to complete the course of it and properly use it. Okay, you should not self-medicate yourself. You should use on the prescription of a registered medical practitioner only. So I hope you found this video informative. Don't forget to subscribe my channel because I make these kind of videos. So don't forget to subscribe my channel and also like and share my video too. If you have any question regarding this medicine or any kind of medicine, you can write in the comment section. I will reply you. And now take care of yourself, and always remember your pharmacist Dr. Abdur Rafy in your prayers. Allah Hafiz and take care.